something called air. And the cool thing is when they move, they create a nice little wave. So as we can see here, I have a nice little piece of like fishing line. I know it's a little bit hard. Any form of dry rice. I got a rice and roni dry mix here. It works just fine. So what we're gonna, you can almost see, I'll probably zoom in during the video of how the rice was almost dancing-esque like, and it was pretty cool, wasn't it? The power of sound waves. Alright, yo, since we can't see sound waves, I set up a little system here, okay? It's a bowl with a plastic thing over top. It can be any form of plastic. I used a small garbage bag and I taped it around the bowl to make it nice and firm. And then we have rice on it. It could be any form of dry rice. I got a rice and roni dry mix here. It works just fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bang on another bowl with some type of utensil. And you can see some rice dancing in a sense, but it's the sound waves moving it. Warning, it is gonna get a little loud, okay? You can almost see, I'll probably zoom in during the video of how the rice was almost dancing-esque like, and it was pretty cool, wasn't it? The power of sound waves. And to kind of come back all together as a group, I would encourage my students to reflect upon what they know and what they have learned through the experiment. So it could be something of like, okay, so we know that sound travels through waves, and we know that we can't see it, but we can hear it. So the frequency often depends on wavelength and pitch. We will dive into that, I'm assuming, at a different lesson, maybe the previous day, or we may dive further into that as well. But I would also like to encourage, how does sound occur? So it could be very similar to them saying by matter moving through air. It could be the simple thing of our voices moving, or it can be the simple thing of them realizing, hey, when we had the fishing line over and we flipped it, it was very similar to that. But yeah, that's how I would kind of end the lesson.